Fortnite just dropped the new One Punch Man skin.
Can you imagine what would happen
If your voice sounded
Just like the characters, with the magic of a voice changer?
Do I really have to run for this crown? One punch should be enough.
pathetic? I could win this game without even touching the controller.
Sensei, I have calculated a 99.9% chance of us trolling these lobbies.
Huh, you want me to teach you something? I'll show you how to sound just like your favorite One Punch Man heroes in Fortnite.
Just open the voice changer and select Tatsumaki's AI voice. Then,
Oh, it sounds so realistic, isn't it?
Also, we got Saitama here.
Oh, Genos.
now we can jump into Fortnite, head over to settings, open your mic, and pick the VoiceWave mic as your input device.
Time to troll some poor souls with VoiceWave. Let's go.
No one's even here. Hi.
Don't.
Come back. You really thought you could escape a victory crown?
Oh my god.
Huh.
Oh my god.
I guess it's mine anyway.
Ugh, stop hiding in bushes, idiots. I'll blow you all into the storm.
Calm down, tornado.
Calm down? Pathetic.
Let me to eliminate that squad ahead. Observation, they underestimate me. Correction, maximum firepower.
Okay, that's enough for today. See ya, heroes.